Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 11th of October 2023. So, stocks extend post terror attack gains, oil, bonds, and gold flat. Can't make this crap up anymore, I'm telling you. You could have a nuclear bomb dropped and they'd send the market to the upside. US stocks finished higher on further dovish speak. Let's create a distraction. Let's forget about what's going on in the Middle East. Let's send out a few Fed members and get them to talk about reducing interest rates. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Economic news today. We've got, let's have a look. Core PPI. PPI month on month. Wallery speaking. Some more dovish crap coming out today, despite the fact that oil's up, so inflation's going to go up again. And at 7 p.m, like I say, we've got the FOMC meeting minutes. So let's have a look at what the markets did yesterday. I think you can guess already. And they moved higher and just ignored exactly what's going on in the Middle East, unlike in previous wars where they've always moved lower. But then I suppose, given the fact that Israel is funded by the US, they know it's a foregone conclusion because they're going to raise Gaza to the ground, aren't they? So it's already a bullish thing, and of course they'll pick up the contracts to actually rebuild. Anyway. Enough of the politics. Let's move on and have a look at the markets from yesterday. So in the Dow, no stop in the markets, moving up on this current situation. As you can see, trading up to the 200 MA, 89% retracement. We just need to get through this and then continue to the upside. All we need tomorrow is the CPI numbers to come out lower than forecast, and it will continue to blast to the upside because obviously the market's ignoring the current situation in the Middle East. Yesterday sideways till the Dow opened. Kashkari speaks, the market goes up. Overnight the market sitting at the DP ready to attack yesterday's high. In the German DAX, let's just ignore everything and we'll move the market up to the 89% retracement, which is what they did yesterday. The market also treading water and up on the overnight as well. Look in the 30-minute chart there. Again, you can see we blasted to the upside in the morning session, ignore everything. And then again in the afternoon with the Dow and overnight. So the market has traded sideways, but is above the DP, above the 50 EMA, and a stone's throw away from yesterday's high, which no doubt it will have a look at later today. In the S&P 500, trading up to the 50 EMA there, and the market sideways overnight. 30-minute chart, sideways yesterday, and then wallop straight up with Kashkari. Ignore everything that's going on. DP overnight, the high is just up here. FT 100 up to the 200 MA. Yesterday the market stopped, but fine overnight, not selling off. 30-minute charts, straight up from the open. Rest up with the Dow, and then sitting above the close, or just on the close, above the DP and the 50 EMA, the high, again a stone's throw away. Meanwhile in the US dollar, this moving down slightly, and you'd expect the metals to go up, but nope, they're not even being allowed to move higher considering the backdrop of war, which is normally a safe haven for most investors. Let's have a look at those. So silver inside bar for yesterday. Like I say, you can't make this stuff up anymore. And sideways there. I've marked up the downside because that's where it's going. I don't see it moving to the upside at all. We're already getting to a stage where we're overbought. You can see what happens when we get to overbought and oversold. We get minor moves to the upside, and then as soon as we're overbought, we then just slam the market back to the downside. $20 and below is still my target for these markets. If it can't go up during what's happening now, it's never going to go up, is it? And also there you can see yesterday they tried but failed, and sitting above the DP, but it won't be long before we head back to the south side. Gold the same, some selling around for yesterday. Overbought territory is within sight. Again, just have a look where we've had the overboughts before, and then you've seen the market sell off thereafter, so more of that to come. And there you can see exactly that. Even yesterday we still managed to move to the downside. Unbelievable, just unbelievable, despite the fact that the dollar moved lower as well. The manipulation in these markets at the moment is unprecedented. I've never seen anything like it for the last 8 or 9 weeks, it's just continues. And in the gold-silver ratio, you can see there the market sideways at the moment, following the short decline there of a few days ago. So let's see what happens today. We've got a few things coming, obviously, in the FOMC meeting minutes later this evening. But obviously all eyes on tomorrow, because let's face it, they've ignored what's going on in the Middle East. Okay, that's it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next.